Hello po, I am Nabiel Arceo from City of Dasmariñas. Our thesis is all about the continuation of the LICAS project which was deployed in Bacoor City. So, ang title po ng aming thesis is ISAGIP, Advanced Water Current and Weather Monitoring with Rescue Response using LoRaWAN and Unmanned Aerial Vehicle for Real-Time Monitoring. So isa po sa hobby ko is manood ng Korean dramas and why microelectronics. It is because of my genuine interest and understanding of the subject. I am fascinated by the role microelectronics plays in advancing technology, and I am driven by a desire to contribute to the field's innovation. So I am excited about the opportunity to further explore microelectronics, expand my knowledge, and refine my skills through this track. That would be all. Thank you.